So this is getting sent back because that's a disgrace, Phillips. The model is HU4811. It's had about 30 to 40 hours use maximum. Look, there's not a mark on it. This was in my bedroom basically, right? And it was in the bedroom because I thought it helped in some way. But that there is black mould. As I said, this unit's at 30 to 40 hours use maximum. I bought it about 2 months ago, 3 months ago. I've hardly used it. I've changed the water tank when it's ran out basically, as you're supposed to. And this is what the filter will look like after 30 to 40 hours. And I've got very clean water in Scotland. Very clean water. It's like filtered, what's it like? It's like mineral water. So that's got nothing to do with it. And I've got a very clean house also. But that's a disgrace. I mean, I bought this to help, not to make things worse. That's basically black mould, isn't it? Look. Absolute disgrace. So now that I've made the video, I can put this back in here, wash my hands and send it back to Phillips. Absolute con.